Hello YouTube, this is Warren Marshall, and I wanted to just pass along some quick tips about the edge slice tool. Now, edge slice is basically known as cut or knife in other modeling applications, but the first thing that I've seen beginners run into is when you activate the edge slice tool from the edit tab, this multi-slice option defaults to off. And that's really irritating because we waited so long for that functionality. And you can see here I'm trying to cut across and it doesn't work. It only cuts across the polygon that I've clicked on. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn on multi-slice, because then I can click here and click anywhere else I want and Modo will just slice across the whole mesh to get there. Super useful. You absolutely need that checkbox turned on. So something else that beginners run into is they want to cut between specific vertices. So they will, and Modo actually encourages this bad behavior, because you see we have this pre-highlighting thing, and so they want to click directly on the vertices. And that works for the most part, but a day will come, well, probably many times during the creation of your mesh, it will happen that you misclick or you slide a little bit or whatever ends up happening, and you end up just a little bit, off the vert, and you go to the next one and the next one, and then you don't notice it, and then later on you're subdividing and you're like, what is all this splooge? And you have to go through and be like, oh yeah, when I was cutting the mesh I messed this up. So you re-weld or you run the vertex merge command or whatever. There's a better way. So the way that I've found to get around those errors, and it works 100% for me, generally speaking, is you find an edge that's connected to the vertex you want to cut, you click that edge and slide until it won't slide anymore. And that's it. Click, slide, click, slide, click, slide. I just keep click sliding. It's almost impossible to mess this up. And once you get the rhythm down, you really won't miss. And yeah, that's about all I wanted to show, was just that click slide method can be used to avoid the typical problems I see beginners have with the edge slice tool. Hope you found that helpful, and I'll talk to you next time.